Dear students of class 6, I am Tripathi sir here going to teach you the remaining portion of the history, that is the Magadha, the strongest kingdom. As you know that many Mahajanpada established, so total there were that time 16 Mahajanpada. Among that Magadha, which is known as Magad, situated in Bihar, it was one of the powerful capital on that time. Why it was powerful capital? Some important points given here. First point is its location. Generally, Magadha was located among 5 hills, which is surrounded to the Magadha. So it was very difficult to attack on this capital from outside conquerors. Second point was the fertile land. The land was very much fertile due to drained by the rivers. So the plains has become so much fertile, so this was very fit for agriculture and transport. Next point is the mineral deposits. In this area, many kinds of the mineral deposit has been found, especially the iron, copper ores they have got in this area. Now, next thing, the other points, the military might. Military were very much strong on that capital. Magadha has got a very strong military force that was able to attack on other lands and all and get it extended. Other things are rulers. You know the rulers also responsible for increasing their capital and making it powerful. So that time the rulers, those were first rulers, that was the Bimbisara. He is known as Bimbisar. So he started ruling in that country. Rajgriha was the capital of Magadha during that period. After that it has become Patliputra. At present it is known as Patna. Come to this point, that other among these density relations, he started having relation with the neighboring country and started making relation with them, like density relation based marriage he started doing. He married the sister of the Kosala king Prasenajit, and he gave him the village in the Kashi as a dowry. That time also dowry system was there. Friendship with the contemporary powerful rulers like rulers of Avanti. He started doing friendship with some powerful rulers also. Those can assist him in time to time. The use of military power against the less powerful neighboring states, Bimbisara was succeeded to his next succeeded by Ajasatru. He also started ruling of this thing, and after that Mahapadmananda also the next ruler. So this way the end of this state by these rulers. But after that it was not a weak kingdom. It was always a strong kingdom. At present you might have heard about the Patna. Patna is the famous place in Bihar. So same name. First it was Rajgriha, followed by then Patliputra. Now it has become Patna. Later on you will read about the other rulers of this place. Here you can see one case study given for Bajai. It was also just neighboring to this capital, that is Magadha, till Tarai in Nepal it was extended, and that name was the Vaishali was the capital of this state. It was also surrounded by many hills and it was safe. So this was also a very strong capital. Here you can see the pillars of Asoka has been made. Those have become the later on the Mauryan empires and all. Now once you go to brush up and tick the correct option, I mark it here. Now the main points you can go through this and make it mark in your book. So these points are here. First correct answer is the larger state. Second I have written Magadha. Third I have written Asthakula. Come to the filling the blanks. You will get first Ganga. Other pages you can see the filling in the blanks. Mahajanpada. Here also I have done filling the blanks very carefully. Ganpati. Then Rajgriha. Then Aja. See here. Ajasutru. Ajasutru is written. Bimbisara was succeeded by the Ajasutru. This marking also done for this one. You can see here. I have done the marking for the match the column. Lines are matching. See carefully these question answer. Page numbers are written. When you go to this video, you go to that particular page, you will get the answer. For example, first question answer given on page 92 in Vairap. Same second one given on page 90, starting from most to directly. Third page also 90, the two monarchies. Fourth also page number 91, Nanda to Glaxi. See here, detail answer also given. One is page 90, second is 91 and third is on 92. So this is the just end of your lesson. If you want, I'll do all the fill in the blanks, tick the correct answer and match the column in book only. And like other way, take history copy and start doing after half early examination. Put the annual portion and start doing. Answer the following question in brief and answer the following question in detail in that copy. Now it is the end of this lesson. Next lesson you will be taught afterwards. Thank you.